In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add different extensions to your search index on Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in indexing options. One of the best matches should come back with indexing options. You want to left click on that one time. Now you want to left click on the advanced button right down here. And now you want to go and left click on the File Types tab. Now if you want to add a new extension, just type it in here. So let's say XYZ, and left click on Add. Once it's selected, you want to select the circle in here to index properties and file contents. Left click on OK. It will say rebuilding the index may take some time to complete. Some views and search results may be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Left click on OK. Close out of here, and hopefully that has addressed your concern for this tutorial. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.